Here's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck is there for you with features you'll soon take for granted, including automatic headlights, a corner step rear bumper, and 8 total tie-down hooks with 4 movable upper tie-downs. But don't worry, this GMC doesn't hold grudges. It does, however, hold lots of gear. Go ahead and continue to assume, because you're right, that your safety is considered with Hill Start Assist, StabiliTrak with traction control, and electronic trailer sway control. Hard work went into this truck so that you can get hard work out of it. Come in for a test drive. It's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Put the work in and reap the rewards. This truck achieves comfort by offering triple door seals and aerodynamics that reduce wind and outside noise, dual density foam seats covered in quality materials, and convenient USB ports and charging outlets. You know professional grade equipment is worth the investment, and you'll certainly appreciate the attention to craftsmanship in this truck. If you need to load up the bed, do it with ease using the corner step rear bumper, and you can ensure your cargo stays put with 8 total tie-down hooks with 4 movable upper tie-downs. The self-assured demeanor is the result of hard work. Take this truck for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.